Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter ramen noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite instant ramen, a good quality butter, and any extra toppings you might enjoy. Having a small pot and about 2 cups of water on hand will also be crucial for a smooth cooking process. This simple dish is quick, comforting, and incredibly satisfying. Once your water is boiling, carefully add the ramen noodles to the pot. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they've softened to your liking. Don't overcook them. Next, stir in the seasoning packet that came with your ramen. This creates the flavorful broth base for our delicious butter ramen. Now for the star ingredient, take your pot off the heat. This is important to prevent the butter from separating. Add 1 tablespoon of butter directly into the hot ramen. Stir gently until the butter is completely melted and incorporated into the broth. This step transforms ordinary ramen into a luxurious, creamy, and incredibly satisfying meal. Your butter ramen is now ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it with your favorite toppings like a perfectly soft-boiled egg, fresh green onions, or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. A dash of soy sauce or a bit of chili oil can also elevate the flavors even further. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which can upgrade your clean game, make sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade butter ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.